All of you, this video is about what is a centralizer in jumbo drilling vehicle. Also, what is the effect if got bent.
Have you ever wondered why a centralizer is so important in a jumbo drilling vehicle? Picture this, a giant machine designed to dig into the Earth's crust, drilling precise holes for mining or tunneling operations. Now imagine if the device responsible for keeping the drill in place and aligned gets bent. The centralizer, typically located at the front end of the boom assembly, plays a critical role in stabilizing and positioning the drilling boom. It's the unseen hero that ensures each drilling operation goes off without a hitch. It does two main things. First, it aligns. Keeping the drilling boom centered, it ensures that each hole is drilled accurately and precisely. Second, it stabilizes. By holding the front end of the boom steady, it minimizes vibrations and movement during drilling. This stability is essential for maintaining both drilling accuracy and safety. Now, what happens if this crucial component gets bent? The stability of the drilling boom could be compromised. This instability could cause inaccuracies in the drilled holes, throwing off the entire operation. The alignment could also be affected. A bent centralizer could result in uneven hole patterns or incorrect placements, disrupting the intended blasting or excavation plans. There's also the potential for equipment damage. Operating with a bent centralizer could put additional stress on other parts of the drilling vehicle, leading to further damage. And of course, there are safety concerns. If stability is significantly affected, it could increase the likelihood of accidents, potentially causing equipment failure or unexpected movements during operations. In short, a bent front centralizer can seriously affect the stability, accuracy, and safety of the drilling process in a jumbo drilling vehicle. It's vital that such issues are addressed promptly by repairing or replacing the centralizer, ensuring that drilling operations can continue safely and efficiently. So next time you see a jumbo drilling vehicle, remember the centralizer, the small component making a massive difference.